Are you sick and tired of looking at your crappy ketchup and mustard cables? Well, don't be, because they work perfectly well. But if you still want to add an extra god tier of bling to your PC, sleeved cables might be the way to go. So, taking it out of the box, we find a 24-pin, 2 8-pin PCIEs, 2 6-pin PCIEs, and 1 8-pin EPS for your CPU. Plus it also comes with a bunch of cable combs, which I couldn't be bothered to count. Handling the cables, they feel like a good quality, and they're pretty hefty, which is attributed to the thickness of the sleeve on the cable. Carrying on with the thickness of the sleeve, it also helps with the durability of the cable as they're less likely to fray. The overall installation was pretty hassle-free, aside from the cable combs being a bit hard to put on the cables. Cables are also easy to bend, and they stay in place after installing them. Each cable is also about 30 centimeters long, so they're not too long or too short, at least for the Silverstone RL06. Turning on the PC with the cables installed shows that the cables, particularly the white variant, reflect the light pretty well. The cables are actually pretty good value, coming in at around 36 Australian dollars or 30 USD at the time of making this video. They're especially good value when you compare the kit to the likes of CableMod or Corsair. So in conclusion, the Uphere cable kit is pretty damn good value at 30 bucks. I'd say it rivals that of CableMod in quality and in looks, not to mention being half the price or less when it comes to CableMod's Pro Series.